Welcome to Hey Beauty DT Slays, our social media streams. Be bold, bold in purpose. Be you, beautiful in every way. Be unstoppable, built different, and destined to win. That way we slay together. I am Paulette, your host.
Working out that mirror like you got it all, yeah. Keep checking her figure cause she got it all, yeah. Graduated, did it on her own.
Hey Beauty DT Slays is coming to you with an extraordinary collaboration, you guys. The collaboration is between myself, Hey Beauty DT Slays, the innovator and design behind this particular vision, and Trisha's Treasures, the couture creator and master seamstress, bringing every detail to life.
Yeah, know that you like to show out, show how much you working with, girl. Show out, yeah, want you to show out, yeah. If looks could kill, I would die. She don't even have to try.
When I was growing up, I always heard, without a vision, we perish. So we decided to flourish instead of perish. I take thoughts from my head. I take a pencil in my hand and put the vision down on paper. Trisha's Treasures takes that vision, sits behind a sewing machine, and makes magic happen with her hands. That is what you're looking at right now. It is the Fairyland customized tutu collection. Trisha's Treasures and Hey Beauty DT Slays have collabed, and now this is where creativity, fashion, fantasy, and luxury all meet together in one beautiful experience. You have got to get you one of these. You're looking at 5 stunning color combinations here, but there are endless possibilities. The rose gold one that you're looking at here, this one is my favorite of all. So for me, I saved the best for last. The kid in me is excited and floating on air as I see this come to life. And the adult, oh, it's not there. I never grew up. Anyway.
Nope.
So, Hey Beauty DT Slays on Trisha's Treasures has your fairy treasure. We have one for all. Custom tutus designed just for you. They are one of a kind, handmade, and they're definitely made with love. Perfect for birthdays, your recitals, photo shoots, pageants, holidays, weddings, and if you missed the contact information, it is definitely in the interval before, but we will also drop it in the description box. Thank you so much.